We're trying to make our own fondue. We're not really sure if it's going to work, but mainly because we don't know if it's getting hot enough to melt the cheese. But right now we had 1 1/4 cups of white cooking wine in there. And now we're adding shredded cheese, which is shredded sharp cheddar, 2 cups of that, and 2 cups of shredded Swiss. And then those were mixed together with 1/4 cup of flour to kind of keep those separated.
Can I add more?
Yeah, add more. Keep adding more. We have all the things we're going to dip in this. It does seem to be melting a little bit. We found this fondue pot at a yard sale for $2, and it was a really nice one. I think fondue pots are something that people buy and they think they're going to use them, and then they end up selling them to me in a yard sale because I don't think it had ever even been out of the box. What does that mean?
It means they're hearting it. It means they like the video.
Okay.
Do I have more?
Yes, keep adding. Do you want to add the dash of garlic in there? We're supposed to add a dash of garlic. Whoa, that was more than a dash of garlic.
I'm Rachel Ray, stop.
Okay.
I know what I'm doing, Mom.
How do I answer her?
You just,
Tap
I
it?
think you do this.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Yeah. Just a little closer. It's melting. It's a good thing.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I could answer on the video. Yeah, I have the stuff for chocolate too, but it's getting late, so we're not doing that tonight.
It's 9 o'clock. It's not that bad.
Well, it's not late for us, but I would like to get other stuff.
It looks like slime when you add activator a little bit.
It does.
Like a little bit of activator.
So you're pretending this is fondue slime or what? Cheese slime.
Next YouTube video.
We're making cheese slime, and we're going to dip broccoli and cauliflower and apples and
It's edible cheese.
brats
It's edible.
and bread. Edible cheese slime.
You can't really play with it.
You can't.
Oh, someone said they love fondue. We love fondue too. We like melting pot, but it's expensive, so we only go there if there's a
Especially
group
with,
on.
Like, a whole bunch of people. With like the 18 people we have in our family.
We have a review of the melting pot at Dayton, Ohio on the blog.
It's making bubbly noises.
Are you done with that? Can we make this closer? Is this hot?
Yeah, you can't get it closer to the heat. Oh, you mean closer to you? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you meant trying to get it closer to the heat. It was taking too long to boil, so we did just move it to the stove for a few seconds to start it boiling before we started putting the cheese in. Do you want to try it? You can try dipping in it.
Apples. Cheese and apples. That sounds weird.
It's really good. Have you never had cheese and apples?
No.
No.
Man, I've
can't
deprived you
remember.
your entire life.
I didn't even know we had this.
Dip the stuff. If you're gonna eat it, dip it. It might be really garlicky,
Wait.
because that was way more than a dash.
Oh, no.
It won't stick to it.
I think it's good enough. I don't know.
Where are you at?
It's good. I don't get much, but it's good.
What do you think?
Oh no, I fell.
Oh.
Well,
It's okay, I got this. Oh, it's good. You got cheese on me.
Do you guys actually like it, or are you just
I have to say,
pretending?
it is very good.
It's good.
It's very good.
Let's see your stitches. We're showing his stitches. He was playing in a basketball tourney Friday night, and in the first game, got his head busted, and he had him tape him up, and then he played 2 more games, and then we went to the ER and got those
Okay, now I
stitched.
gotta try this.
But they won the tourney, so it was worth having to go to the ER, I guess, and get all those stitches.
I didn't expect that to be good.
What did you think it was going to be? It's just cheese.
And apples.
Oh, you didn't think that combination would be good?
I've never had cheese and apples.
nope.
We have the stuff to make chocolate, and we're going to make chocolate another night because I think this is enough fondue.
Bullseye. You can get over and eat that.
That's that's enough fondue for me for the night.
That's extremely good.
Not for me.
How is it? How do you think it is compared to melting pot? Is it a copycat recipe, or is it not? Is it different? I mean, it can be good
I
but
think it's
different.
different, but I mean, it's very good, very close.
I like the bread.
It was me. I didn't like garlic powder.
That probably was. That's the special ingredient. I meant to use real garlic, and then I was pressed for time, so we just used the garlic powder.
I think the bread's my favorite one because I like the bread alone too.
That is really good,
I
and
just ate 3 pieces of
I
the
think
bread.
it's very, very garlicky, and that's actually really good. We like garlic.
or
Everybody.
Rachel Ray. Rachel Ray likes garlic.
Rachel Ray says there's never too much garlic.
That's right.
I agree with that. So there we have fondue. It's a
delicious.
Swiss and sharp cheddar, 2 cups of sharp cheddar, 2 cups of shredded Swiss, and you mix that together in a bowl with a 1/4 cup of flour, and then get some cooking wine, 1 1/4 cups cooking wine, white cooking wine, boiling. Add the cheese and add a little bit of garlic, and that's what we did here. We found that on Pinterest, and I don't remember where we found it, or I would give them credit. But I will. When we do a post on the blog, I'll give them credit. So. What are you?
That stick was mine.
Oh, apparently I used the wrong skewer. I used my son's skewer here, and he is not happy about that. But we'll see you next time on The House That Never Slumbers. Bye.